Good morning. In previous video you have already seen the interactions between organisms. So in this video I am already going to discuss you the next interactions between organisms like mutualism. Mutualism. It is an interaction that confer benefit to both the interacting species. Interacting species. You see the some examples of mutualism. Some examples or few examples of lichen. Lichens represent an intimate mutualistic relationship between a fungus and photosynthesizing algae or cyanobacteria. The fungus helps in the absorption of nutrients and provide protections while algae prepare the food. Second example, mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza show close mutual associations between fungi and the roots of higher plants. Fungi help the plant in absorption of nutrients while the plant provide food for the fungus in the form of absorbing waste material. For best examples of mycorrhiza is many members of genus Glomus. Plant needs help from animal for pollinating and dispersals of seeds. Plants need help from animals for pollination and dispersal of seeds. In return, plants provide provides nectar, pollens and fruits to them. To safeguard the mutually beneficial system, beneficial system Plant animal interactions involve co-evolution of the mutualism. That is, the evolution of the flower and its pollinator species are rightly linked with one another. We can see the more examples or fig and its partner wasp species. Fig and its partner wasp species. The female wasp uses the fruits not only as an oviposition means egg laying site, but uses the developing seeds within the fruit for nursing its larva. In return, the wasp pollinates the fig inflorescence while searching for suitable egg laying sites. Mediterranean orchid employs sexual desect to get pollinated by the species of bee. Employs to get pollinate by a species of bee. One petal of its flower bears an uncanny resemblance to the female of the bee in size, color, and markings. The male bee is attracted to what it precious as a female and pseudocopulates with the flowers. During this process, pollens are dusted from the flower onto the male bee. When the some bee pseudocopulates with another flower, it transfers pollens to it and thus pollinates the flower. So by this way, both are interacted to each other and benefited to each other. The next is amensalism. Amensalism. It is an interactions between different species in which one species is harmed. That means negative approach. And the other is neither benefited nor harmed. That is neutral, sign of the neutral species. For example, penicillium penicillium a mold secretes penicillin. Penicillin, which kills bacteria, but the mold remain unaffected. 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 So these are the interactions of organism. Now we see the some other relationships among them, like predator predation, parasitism, and commensalism. Commensalism share a common characteristics. Common characteristics of the interaction of the interacting species living close together. And secondly, proto-cooperation is an interaction between two different species in which both are mutually benefited but they can live without each other. It is also called facultative mutualism. For example, C. anomine anemone is carried from place to place by the moving crab crab is benefited by getting more places for the food. Hermit crab may also derive benefit through camouflage and protections provided by C. anomone because of the presence of stinging cells in the latter. So, by this way, interactions between organisms takes place. Thank you.